Right now, let me show you and explain how you're gonna search through your iMessages on the iPhone. So naturally, the first step is going to be to locate the search in here. So at first, you can just go to the Spotlight search and look up some specific things like the person you might be texting. And this general view is gonna include some content from messages. For example, when I looked up Foxtecc, which is like a person I have saved, it shows up some pictures as well as some other stuff. That's the general search. But you can also go directly to the Messages app. You might be in any folder or whatever, but at the bottom you have the search field. And you're going to type in some information you might want to look up. It's not possible to search through one chat only. You can only search across your whole or entire like conversation, all of the chats which you have on your phone. So you're going to type something in and it looks up content from different chats as well as different media types like links, photos, text, and so on. So that's nice, but it's not very precise. In order to make it more precise, what you can do instead is actually look it up in a different way, right? So what you could do is type in the name of the recipient below, like in the search, and then continue with the date and a time. Right, so if I would type in here the name Foxtecc, then proceed with, for example, the month of April, and I type in like the 17th of April, for example, you'll see that I can look up exactly those messages or only those from that particular month, right? So you can use the general search to target specific chats with specific people, as well as look up in a different months and days, and even look up specific keywords. So if you use it that deeply, then you're going to get the most out of it, and essentially it will get the job done in the best possible way. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.